I'm feeling hungry now. I like this design of car. Yeah, it's Mitsubishi. They're actually doing some improvements in this road. Just like this one is already asphalted. Yeah, very nice to drive here. Amazing, very smooth. I think it is all the way to the Nelson Bay Town Center. What is missing is the line. They still need to paint the line. Wow, so good to drive. Oh, here is normal, not yet asphalted. Let's stop here for a moment. I'm going to think if I need to buy something. Yeah, because in the house I have just eggs, potato.
Entering time-lapse mode.
Yeah, this is one of the best thing here with this camera. Yeah, it's really nice. Whenever I stop, it's automatically switching on to time-lapse mode. Actually, it depends on the setting that you want. And I set it to time-lapse mode. And another thing, if there is a person or group of people that stays in front for unusual time, this is going to automatic recording. Yeah, it's kind of a surveillance camera. During the day, the cold is bearable, except when there is a wind. Yeah, wind is the one that makes the cold worse. Oh, I've seen this in the news. Yeah, this Prime hydration drinks. Yeah, so basically there was a hype, and so every kids, teenager, they bought a lot of this. And yeah, because this from the popular YouTuber. And so there is this limit. Prime hydration drinks have been limited to 5 bottles per customer per shop. I'm not interested this time. I don't like. So I take it. This one is a chicken prosciutto, ready to eat. Just need to put in the microwave, I think. Yeah, actually, yeah, it's ready to eat. And also this fish, just $2.75. It is expired today. Yeah, there's one lady there. That's why I am shy to record on that side. Okay, that's it. So I just got this. This is just $5.35. Nice. And then once I switch on the engine, the Dashcam will start recording. That is how it works. Yeah, it is already 5 o'clock. Exactly 5 o'clock. Already took a shower. I reheat this rice. Yeah, just microwave for 3.5 minutes. Basically, the chicken is wrapped with the prosciutto. I need to microwave, but the microwave is broken. Yeah, not working anymore. Yeah, it's working this time. The That's the problem. I give up, it's broken. Should I tell to my landlord? Are they going to buy a new microwave for me? Or I just buy my own microwave? Yeah, because this apartment is actually fully furnished. Even the rice cooker, like the kettle. Yeah, the previous kettle was broken already, so I bought a new one. Okay, I'm just going to reheat it in the pan. It smells delicious. Oh, there are beans. Green beans. Yeah, this is called, it's like a mashed potato. Like a potato leek soup. If I'm not mistaken, the regular price of this is about $10. Yeah, let me check. So basically, I bought it for $2.60. Let's see the second layer of price. Then it becomes $9. But there is another layer. Yeah, $10. You can see the zero. And because this is going to expire today, they sell it for just $2. And I am watching them. They are a Bachman family, American family. They are traveling around the Philippines.
It smells really good. Excited.
Yeah, big family. The chicken is not good.
What the heck? Look how cute he is.
Okay, this place is awesome, but there's one thing that's not awesome.
Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. Actually exactly 2 o'clock when I time out. But I stay for a little bit in the car at the workplace. Because when I went for break, I actually opened this window and I forgot to close. Yeah. And then there's a lot of dust in here. And so I clean it first before leaving the workplace. And as usual, I stop here because I'm going to do some pull-ups on that bar. And actually, it's already 2:37. But yeah, I'm going to relax here for a little bit. I actually have soft drinks. It's not soft drink, but kombucha. And I realized that it has residue in the bottom. Yeah, some tiny kind of leaves, I don't know. This is like a flavored sparkling tea, ginger and lemon. And this is how it is here. Yeah, it is cloudy. The sun is covered with the clouds. You know, this area before this children's playground, kids playground. They remove it, they change it with the table, picnic table. I think because it is very close to the road, that's why they remove it. Actually, it's painful. Yeah, I cannot do straight 10 for about 7 years of living here in Nelson Bay. I've seen maybe just 2 or 3 times people working out in here. Yeah, basically most of the people, they go to the gym or they just do jogging, but not using this one. And that's it for today. We are going home now, and then I'm going to eat. Okay, we are home, and it is already 10:20. No, 4 50. And I'm now going to prepare my meal. Reheating the rice, and I'm just going to cook this barramundi. Yeah, $2.75. So basically they changed the price 3 times. So $2.75, and then it was $6.60. There is one more. Before $6.60, it was $7.59. Yeah. And then before $7.59, and before original price is at $13. I can see it there. Yeah, I'm just going to fry it. And you know, here in Australia, mostly this barramundi is the one they use to make fish and chips. Basically, it is expired yesterday, July 1, 2023. Yeah, just fishy good. This fish, I'm just going to dip it with the soy sauce.